All praise to the Most High. Welcome to Midnight Fried Rice cooking show. We're going to make some fried rice later, but I decided I wanted to make some egg rolls. We can see how easy that's done. So while we're doing a 30-day fast, we can think of simple things that we can prepare that are easy and simple. So we got a shredded cabbage. I'm just really good with a knife. And then the carrots that were shredded. Then we have some spicy roasted chicken. You have a little bit of cilantro, and then we have some peas and carrots and some green onion and egg for our fried rice later. And then we're going to sprinkle a little bit of ginger in there to make it taste like it's like really Asian. So we're going to start off by blanching our we're going to blanch the carrots and the spinach, and then we're going to let it cool. And after it cool, we're going to come back and we're going to roll our egg rolls, and then we're going to fry them in our wok, and then we're going to do our fried rice. We're going to go through all the steps. So this is just part one to start. It's going to be probably after midnight before I get there, because I got to blanch this first. Then we got a little bit of sesame oil in the water. Then we're going to throw a little bit of ginger in there, then a little bit of cilantro, put the chicken, then it has to cool. Once it cools, we'll come back and we'll roll the egg rolls. Alright, part one.